Hey guys, it's me, JediNick37, and today I'll be doing an unboxing video on the Ultra HD 2.7 camera. And I'm also going to be doing an unboxing on the IMBA V8 gaming headset. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my new setup that I'll be using, and I'm going to show you guys how to set it up and use it. So stay tuned. If you guys enjoy, like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Alright guys, I'm going to do the camera first, so let's get it. Got the Star Wars themed bucket that goes with the channel. Alright guys, so first up, we have the camera itself. So already, you can see it's a decent looking camera. You can pop it out like this, and that's how you turn it on and stuff. You have the recording button right here. You can take pictures up here, right here. You can zoom in and out with these buttons. The kit also includes a remote control that gives you easy access to all the camera options. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to set it up. You also have a bunch of options right here where you can turn it off, menu, down, up and down, and the mode. So yeah, right now I'm going to be showing you how to set it up. If you're a vlogger, this right here is perfect for you guys because this right here helps. And also I'm going to be showing you guys something a little bit later with it that also helps if you're a vlogger. But yeah, let's start setting it up. Alright, so let me close this in the meantime. So what we're going to grab first, the microphone. This is really good for a lot of vloggers, or if this even helps with your gaming, depending if you're like playing on your PC most likely. So first thing you want to do, take this thing out right here. Just place it somewhere. Always put it back on though. Now you want it the way facing this way, and then there's like this little box right here. You want to put it right in so it slides through. Once you get to slide through, then you want to tighten it until it's tight. You definitely want it to be tight, so get that tight in. So now that I have the mic mounted, let me show you what you can do with it. Right here, you have the on and off switch, and then you have the recording levels. Now that the mic is mounted, let me show you how to connect it. So right here on the side, you want to plug it right in. And then on the back right here next to the recording button, you just want to pull this thing out right here. Okay, got it. No, I don't. Alright, there we go. Once you open it, then you want to connect the opposite side right into another hole right here. Once you do that, the mic and the camera are officially connected. Alright, next up, we have the hood of the camera. What it does is it blocks light so you don't have any extra light and you can just focus more on what you need. So first thing you want to do, have this go on wherever part's more out. Connect this piece right here until it makes a clicking noise. Then you want to put it on this side. You want to get it on the camera. Forgot the lens. Alright, once you do that, then you want to connect it onto the camera once again until you hear the click. Once you have that, tighten it a little bit. So you got it done. Now you have the hood. Alright, next thing, minor, but you never know if you're going to need it. On the lens cap, you could put a safety thing where once you get on the right side, once again the click. Now, if for ever some reason, if you're not using the hood, it won't be able to click back on. Necessary if you need it. Alright, so the next thing is going to be really helpful for vloggers. It is a handle, also a stabilizer. So if you're moving around your camera a lot, you can really use this to stabilize it so it doesn't act all shaky and stuff. Right now, let me show you how to connect it. So what you're going to do, you're going to flip over your camera to right here. And then you're going to connect the screw thing right here. I would recommend starting at the very top. It just makes it a lot easier. Once you get it in, tighten it. So once you have it on, it's very good. You can adjust it to get closer to the thing so it stays exactly how you want it. Or you can extend it longer, and then if you're a vlogger or you just want to show something outside or something, you could do a really cool thing where like you can move it as you're moving it around, so it'll keep it steady, but then you can also do a whole 180 with it. It goes all the way to here and then all the way to here. Almost 360, but yeah, pretty far. It's really good. You can also just keep it half, so you can kind of do a little bit, but not all the way. So yeah, this is really helpful. You're just moving around with it, really good. Really recommend this camera. It's very good to use. I'm going to show you guys the menu, and then we'll be moving on to the next thing. Here is what you'll be seeing once you take pictures and stuff. If you're ever just recording something for vlogs and stuff, you can you'll just hold it either by the stabilizer or the little strap thing here, where you can just carry it like this if you don't want to use all of it. I definitely recommend, if you are like a vlogger, keeping the recorder, the mic. But also if you're doing something that's a lot shakier, maybe you're parkour or something, definitely keep the stabilizer. So here, you can take the pictures here, recorder buttons here, then the zoom in and zoom out. Talked about that earlier. So you can see what this is seeing. It's a 1080 camera too, so really good quality. Also, really cool feature about this is you can actually flip the screen, then you can point the whole camera towards yourself, so you can actually see yourself on the screen. And it's very useful if you just want to show your face. And also another thing, if you're gaming like me, you could use this just as a webcam, and then this is all gonna go with another video that I'll be doing very shortly in a couple days. So stay tuned for that. And I'll also show more of the setup for this. But yeah, so if you ever just wanna use it for webcam, you'll see how I'm gonna connect it in a couple days. But yeah, that's how you got the camera. Let's move on to the next item. All right guys, here's the next item. Got my new headset. You guys will be seeing it very shortly once I do my next video on my Elgato and my laptop. Once I have all these things, I'll definitely do not only an unboxing video, but you guys will also be able to see my new setup. But for now, I'm just gonna show you my headset. So, it has metal right here. It keeps it very stable, and unlike a lot of other headsets that I've had before, I feel like without the metal, it really just makes it breaks easily. So this is really good. I really like this. Right here, obviously you have your mute button right here, and then your volume adjustments. And then we'll get to this later. All right. So this is what it looks like. It's really cool. This really makes it comfy. It's definitely and it's also adjustable with these right here. So it doesn't look that tiny. It's not actually that tiny. Once I put it on, it moves with my head, you can see. I did try it out earlier. And I honestly, the only thing that I felt really weird, but now it feels good, is that the sound does sound different, but after like a day of using it, or even like 30 minutes of using it, you'll definitely get used to the audio. And just like, I wouldn't say like change settings and stuff, because then it's gonna just change the whole thing. Just listen to the audio, get used to it. It sounds good. It sounds like your normal audio after a little bit. Now, the mic is really good. It's a whole 360 good setup thing. I loved it. It really makes it easier if you want to put it closer to your mouth, or if it's too close farther. It's really good. I really do recommend this as if you're ever gonna like stream or become a YouTuber, or if you just want to play games, just use this mic. Another really good thing, very comfy and very lightweight. I really enjoyed playing with it. I felt like it was like really, like, it was good. I liked it. It's very oh, and also it takes away the noise around. And like if you one of those people that playing with your friends, or you're making a video and you just hear people outside, or you have a dog and they bark and stuff, really good. It keeps the noise away. In fact, I have my dog here, over there. So what's cool about this one is my old mic, it actually needed an adapter. Now, you maybe still need an adapter. It does come with an adapter in case you need it. So, but this one, if you just have like if you play on PS4 or Xbox, just plug it right into your controller if you have what you need for it. Obviously, there's some requirements sometimes you need. Now this is the cool part right here. I got my little USB thing right here, right? This isn't part of the unboxing video, but I do need it. So, what's the coolest feature I think about this mic headset, mic and headset, yeah, is let's say you have a laptop, or if not, you just want the cool look, just get one of these or just something like something that has a USB, right? And then once you plug it in, the headset itself is actually LED. It's really cool. I actually really enjoy the color. I feel like the color is really cool and it really gives you like a gaming vibe. And even the mic itself has a nice little blue light right here. And the logo is super cool. I honestly actually really like the logo. So I wouldn't say what you wouldn't want to do with this mic and headset. It's really good. Looks really cool around your head and all that. Really comfy. And if you play in your room or somewhere a little bit dark, it's really cool. It really lights up the room. And if you guys get this product, I really recommend it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly recommend these products. In fact, I'm going to be putting the links of both of these in the description. I'm going to be doing more unboxing videos soon with the Elgato and my new computer. And also this really cool laptop stand that's going to be really good for my setup. I'm also, once I get my whole setup, I'm going to be showing you guys my entire setup and how it looks. And yeah, and maybe you guys even want to see a way for you guys to set up. So yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links in the description. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And peace.